Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anna Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for paper perk number 53. Another Christmassy, wintry theme project that I have here for you. It's going to be sort of I'd say a treat bag or a gift card holder or a tag holder. We're going to make it in a minute. I'm going to show you. And then for our Ko-fi supporters, you get a set of 9 extra tags to put in this really muted color this time, just to work with something other than a green and red. So you get this really pretty tag. They can be journaling cards, they can be gift tags, they can be, placement cards on the table for dinner, they can be stocking stuffing, whatever you want to use them for. You go ahead to Ko-fi and you grab this extra page for supporters. So I'm going to cut this and be back. Okay, so I have cut this. And what we need to do is score and fold and cut. So you have 4 squares here. I did one in black, so if it'll be hard to see in white, doesn't really matter. What we're going to do is we're going to cut along this line here on all little 4 squares. And then we're going to score along these 2 lines here, so we'll be able to fold them. And that is basically it. What we're going to do is fold, and as you can guess, these 2 are inside here, and then you get this little bag that you can put things in. Let's just apply glue on the inside of those little squares, and then attach them on the inside of the tags. Just make sure they're aligned with the line here, like this. Oops. Just hold them until the glue dries. You can use whatever type of glue that you like. I like to use liquid glue. Just put them inside. Just make sure that they're glued and aligned. You need to help them a little bit here. So now you can put anything that you want. Let's say we're gonna cut one of the tags, or you can cut all of them. Cut this on a lighter paper just to show you, but you can of course print it on a thicker paper, on a heavier paper, and then it will be a card. They fit here perfectly, as you can see. So you can just insert a bunch of those, and or any other. It will work on a gift card, it will work on money, whatever you want. And now let's just finish this, make it a little bit prettier. So I want to, of course, ink the edges. That also always adds a nice look. And the ink all the way around. Like this. And then it's just add a ribbon. So what I was thinking is making 2 little holes here, the front, and then I have some ribbon and a twine, and I'm thinking I'm going to make like a nice bow with both of them. So we're going to insert them inside if they will cooperate. We might need some help. So what I usually do is just use my tweezers. Help them inside like this. Just push them and that will work. You don't want the hole to be too big because I don't like how it looks if the hole is too big. So I would rather push them through a smaller hole. It usually works. Okay, so now we have enough to play with, and we can cut those and see what we can do with them. So I was thinking have a little bow here, tie this up like this, then want to take, where is the edge? There it is. So I want to take this with a little bell. And then again, I'll need assistance here with my tweezers to push this in the hole. I had to bring a bigger one because that couldn't thread it. Twine was too big for the hole, so I brought a bigger one. And what I want to do is tie this just tie it with a knot like this, and then we're going to thread it through the ribbon like this. So we don't need, just going to have a bow here too, just in case it's visible. I want it to look nice. We'll see if we don't need it. We can always cut it later. Just a little ribbon. I mean bow, not ribbon. Why did I say ribbon? I meant little bow here. Okay, now we're going to cut this. And then, when we're making the, you know what? what? We're going to thread it. We're going to open the knot and thread it again, because I want to make sure that it's there. Okay. Just thread it through both here. And then we're going to tie it into a bow and then see how that looks. I always like to tie a big bow and then pull it and make it smaller. So many ribbons here, it's hard to tie it properly. Okay. See, it's big, but now when I'm starting to pull the little bow here, and then I can and then pull it again. Just repeat that a few times, and then it will be the right size that you want. Like that. Okay, let's cut all these excess and then see where we are. So we have the dangle and we have the ribbon. Can turn this a little bit. And now we can have another hole up here. This time, first we did the holes only on one side. Now I'm going to make a hole on both sides. So I can have like a little hanging rope. So we're going to thread it through. Thread it through. Oops. I'm just not going to tie, I'm just going to take both ends and do like this. No, you know what? I want to be able to open it. This way will not allow me to open it. So I'm just going to thread them one by one. Only one. Just thread one like this. So then you'll be able to open and close it. And then we'll tie it up here like this. And then we'll be able to just pull it so this will, the knot will be at the end, and then you'll have like a dingly dangly. You can hang it on the tree. It makes a really lovely bell noise, and then you can, or you can like add it to a gift, a wine bottle, whatever you want. And then insert something. It can be a chocolate, it can be money, like I said, gift tags, whatever you want. You can also add a trim down here, lace. You can embellish it any way that you want. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Don't forget to go to the Ko-fi gallery to grab your extra page. This is the extra page that we have the tags. I used one. And thank you very much for joining me. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.